Now, here's our number block 142. I'm going to use a magic trick to see its face, just like this. And then, we need to attach 7 rainbow blocks more to make 147. Again, I'm going to use a little magic to see the face, just like this. Hello Numberblock fans, in today's video we're going to exploring our number block 141 to 150. Okay.
Amazing!
The first character is 141. 141, first we build 100 rectangle blocks into 10 by 10 square to make 100. And then 40 light green blocks I build at the top which lay 10 blocks wide to make 140. And the last we add 1 red block at the top and at a corner to make 141. However, number block 141 is also split into 3 lots of 47s. Why? Well, it's like that. Number block 47 is the 15th member of the friend club. And also, number block 47 lost to the skies, just like 15. Anyways, here's our 141. And then, I'm going to use a magic trick to see the face, just like this. Here's the face. Now, we need to attach the numbering to make 141. Just like this. And this is our number block 141. The next character is 142. 142
Amazing!
is made out of 100 red tone blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 2 orange blocks. However, number block 142 I built just like before. First, we build 10 by 10 square for number block 100 red tone blocks, and then 40 light green blocks I built it at the top to make 140. And 2 orange blocks I built it at a corner to make 142. However, number block 142 also has similar face to number block 20 because number 142 split into 2 lots of 71s, and 71 is the 20th member of the friend club, which loves to dance, just like number block 20. Okay, now here's our number block 142. Well, what should I do next? I'm going to use a magic trick to see its face, just like this. Now, here's the 142 space. And then we attach the numbering for number block 142. But wait, we need a top hat. Why? Because to make just similar to number block 20. So here's our 142. The next character is 143. 143 is made out of 100 red tone blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 3 yellow blocks. This time I build different from those numbers because number block 143 has its own rectangle, which is 11 by 13 rectangle formation, which could also say that number block 143 also splits into 13 lots of 11s or 11 lots of 13s. Okay, we need to attach 30 light green blocks at the top to make 130. Now, why do we build like this? Time to check. Well, we need to add 10 light green blocks more to make 140. And then we add 3 yellow blocks at the corner to make 143. See? It's the shape of number block 143. And then I'm going to use a magic trick to see the number block 143's face, just like this. We got 143's face. Attach it numbering, so we got 143. The next character is 144. I built 144 different from all of the number blocks, which is 12 by 12 square. See? It's the new shape of the number block 144. We found another square number, 144. We built first 100 rectangle blocks just like this. And then 44 blocks I built wrapping around the number block 144. Now I'm going to build just like this. Here, see what I got? Now, number block 144 also splits into 12 lots of 12s, which means that 12 12s are 144 and the part of the member of the square club. I'm going to use the magic to see the face just like this. Now we got a face. And then we need to attach the numbering for number block 144. So here's our 144. The next character is 145. We built 145 just like 141 and 142. But this time it has 5 light blue blocks. because number block 145 doesn't have any divisors except from 5 lots of 29s, which is the main divisors. Well, number block 145 has a star-shaped eye because number block 145 could also split into 29 lots of 5s. So here's the number block 140. And then we need to add 5 blue blocks to make 145. Now we got 140. 5 blue blocks more to make 145. Alright, and then I'm going to use a magic trick to see its face just like this. Now 145 has a rhombus shape, which is a special shape for number block 145. Attach it numbering, so this is our 145. The next character is 146. 146 is made out of 100 red tone blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 6 dark indigo blocks. Number block 146 I built just like number block 145 because number block 146 doesn't have any divisors, which has only the main divisors 2 lots of 73s. However, number block 73 is the 21st member of the Prime Club, which means that number block 146 loves to explore, just like 73. Anyways, here are 140 blocks. And then we add 6 dark indigo blocks to make 146. Okay, we got 146 blocks. Then we go to use a magic trick to see the face just like this. Here's the face. And then we attach its numbering for number block 146. So here's 146. The next character is 147. We build 147 just like before. But why don't I build into 7 by 21? Because 7 by 21 is too tall. Yeah, not lying. That's why I built just like before. But it has the old divisors, 7 lots of 21s, 3 lots of 49s, which could split into 7 lots of explorers. But I don't build into 7 by 21 because it's too tall, you know? Yeah. Now we got 140 blocks. And then we need to attach 7 rainbow blocks more to make 147. So here's our 147. Again, I'm going to use a little magic to see the face just like this. Now we got 147 face. And then I attach the numbering to make 147. Here's our 147. The next character is 148. 148 is made out of 100 red tone blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 8 pink blocks. However, number block 148 has the old divisors, which is 4 lots of 37s, which I built just like before. 141, 142, 145, 146, and 147. Because it doesn't have any divisors, which is the main one, 4 lots of 37s. I built just like the official number block 37 in the number block 31 to 40 Mathlink Cube set, which wears Hattie, just like the number block 37. So here's our 148. Also, I'm going to use the magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face. And we attach it to numbering, so it's now number block 148. The next character is 149. 149 is made out of 100 red tone blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 9 3 tones of gray blocks. Again, I built just like before, because 149 is the prime number, which is the 35th member of the Prime Club. Okay, well, we built just like before, and the 35th member of the Prime Club, which has glasses and flower, just like 35, because 35 wears glasses and has 5 flowers. However, number block 149 has only 1 flower, because the prime number. Okay, now we need our 9 3 tones of gray blocks to make 149. We build it overall just like this. Now we got our number block 149. I'm going to use the magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face. And attach its number link to make 149. So this is our number block 149. The last character is 150. 150 is made of 100 red tone blocks and 50 light blue blocks. because our number block 150, according to number block 15 times table, our number block 150 could also split into 10 lots of 15s or 15 lots of 10s. However, number block 150 has the number block 25's eyebrows. Oh, whoopsie. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Anyways, that's because our number block 150 could also split into 6 lots of 25s, which should have spiky eyebrows. Now we got our number block 150. Now, it's time to use a magic to see the number block 150 shape just like this. Here's the face. And we need to attach the last numbering for this video, which is 150. So this is the last character, 150. And also today's video is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed our number block 141 to 150. See you again next time, fans. Bye bye.